Hello, I am Dr. Che and you are watching my YouTube channel. In this video, I will teach you how to improve English vocabulary, especially how to use my free vocabulary course. Okay, so please look at description box of my channel for updates and link to my Facebook group. Join it please. Subscribe, like, share and comment to encourage me to make more videos. Share with other people to help other students also, and subscribe and press the bell icon to receive more videos on grammar, writing, speaking, listening and reading. So you know there are two types of vocabulary. Number one is passive and number two is active. What is passive vocabulary? Passive is when you know meanings of words but you cannot use them actively in your speaking or writing without having look at them. You can only remember them when you see these words. For example, when you are reading or someone else is speaking, or you when you someone else is speaking, you know, "Oh, yes, I know this word. These all the words in Dr. J's vocabulary course I know already, but you cannot use them in your speaking or writing in when you are in the exam because it is not part of your active vocabulary. This is your passive vocabulary. When you see a word, you know I already know, but this is not active vocabulary. Active vocabulary is when you can use these words correctly, appropriately and naturally in your speaking and writing without looking at these words. Especially you can use them naturally, correctly, appropriately in your test when you are under exam pressure and other time pressure. Okay, so your passive vocabulary would help you in your listening and reading exams, your passive vocabulary. But for your speaking and writing, you need to learn active vocabulary. You need to make your vocabulary active. So reminder, please don't waste your time in tips and tricks. For example, 5 words to achieve band 7 or 9 in IELTS, or to achieve 24 or more in TOEFL. Don't waste your time please. Or 5 idioms to get band 7 or 9. So these are all scams. These are all, you cannot trust. These are all fraud. Okay, almost this can be helpful. I am not going to disagree. These 5 words or 10 words can be helpful, but these 5 or 10 words are not going to guarantee you 7 or 9 bands or 8 bands. Okay, almost all necessary vocabulary for band 7 to 9 or C1 to C2 level is included in my course. Okay, if you need more words or more vocabulary, then first learn the words in my course, then add extra words in each topic. Make a notebook, underline or note the all the necessary words below one topic. And when you have finished my course, if you need more vocabulary, then just learn the new word and add in each of these topics that I have covered. Build your topic specific vocabulary, learn it thoroughly and practice with your friend, with your study partner, how to use it. Okay, how to make your vocabulary active. First of all, watch all of my videos gradually, slowly please, one by one, and learn. Don't rush to watch all the videos in one day. Make a list and take notes under each topic. Okay, know which part of speech this word is, what is the meaning, what are the collocations. Collocations are words that come together naturally in English language. When you use collocations, this automatically boosts your score. You use what are the synonyms, what are other forms of word, for example adjective, adverb. Okay, verb form of the same word to vary your language. Learn how to use these words with example sentences. My example sentences are real examples from speaking and writing experience. Okay, so if you already know some word, then just note it down, just note the word, don't need to write the details. If there is a new word or difficult for you, then note it down with details or example sentences, and after doing this repeat them again and again until you can naturally and accurately use these words. This is how you can achieve 7 to 9 bands in IELTS, or 24 to 30 in each module of TOEFL. Don't use tips and tricks, please. Don't waste your time, please. Make a list and try to memorize all of them daily. First learn the topic art and all of its words, then move to the next topic. Don't rush to see all of my videos, to watch all of my videos in 1 or 2 days. Do it gradually, please, and learn it thoroughly. Study partner. You can see in many Facebook groups, people love to make a study groups. It is very good idea to make study groups, but study partners. But if your partner is also at 6 or 6.5 level or 5 band level, and if you keep practicing with your partner, then this is not going to improve your English or your band score. Okay, so here is my advice how to use the study partner method. Join a Facebook group, link my Facebook group, link is given in the description, and then find at least 2 study partners. Why at least 2 study partners? Because I will explain later. Start from one topic, for example, start from my first topic is art, and discuss and practice with your partner about this topic. You can use only one video of a topic or a complete topic. It depends upon you and your study partner how much you can. If you are beginner or lower intermediate, then you go slow, please. If you are upper intermediate or advanced level student, then you can go with speed. Okay, and 2 study partners, because maybe one study partner is not available every time you want to practice. So have 2 partners, and also there are different time zones around the world. Different There is different time. Maybe you are living in one country, and one study partner is sleeping, and you can practice with other study partner. Okay, this is how to use the method of study partner. It's a very good idea, but make at least 2 study partners and work on my start working on my vocabulary course. Then I will make grammar course also. So if you are making a study partner of speaking, choose the first topic art, learn the vocabulary, and then practice speaking with your partner in general about this topic. Not waste your time searching here and there, and you are not going to improve with your study partner. So at the end, please look at description box for updates and link to my Facebook group. Subscribe, like, and comment positive comments, please, only to encourage me. Share with other students to help them. Of course, it is free and it will be helpful for them. And subscribe and press the bell icon to get more videos, courses on grammar, writing, speaking, listening, and reading. Thank you very much.